You see, for retailer are basically buying from vendor and selling to the customer. If we have to build our business or scale our business, it can't happen without building partnership with our vendors. And there is definitely, we have to handhold at times to them. Support is not, we are not investing. So if you talk about retailers themselves have their own growth business, so they can't invest into that. But there are other means, and if you talk about us as a future group, we invested in a lot of vendors through our other investment arm, which is basically help them to grow their business and help us in terms of availability of merchandise for sale in our store. So it is a win-win partnership for them and as well. It is not only about that, it is also how you collaboratively work with them. So if you work with vendor closely, you can reduce the overall cycle time into the working capital. So some of the vendors like we are working where, so take example of a furniture vendor, which was initially kind of furniture we are importing. No, it has been made by the vendor in Nagpur. And no, since he's in Nagpur, I have my furniture warehouse also, all India has been moved to the Nagpur. Now it's become a much simpler for him. So I don't do a quality checks twice at his place and my place. Now he himself visit to the central warehouse and do all the quality checks. I say you own it up the quality till the time it reaches to the store. So that collaborative partnership always helps because for him, if he do the quality coming at my warehouse, then he not need to check, I not need to check it again. He don't have a risk of rejection and all those things. So it is that how closely you can work with the vendor, it helps to both.
So I'm sure everybody has a lot